Hello guys, thank you for joining me today in another video. So today I'm doing a feather in one stroke with acrylic colors. I did like this drawing several months ago and you guys really seem to like it. But before we get started, let's take a quick look at the materials that we will be using. Yes? I don't know. We will choose some nice colors. For example, pink, this yellow. Yes, I think it will be cool. White we will need. Pink, one more. Blue. Let's take green. Yes, I think it will be great. And I recommend to using medium slow dry because acrylic colors so fast want to be dry so fast. But if you don't have medium, you can using simple water, and always in yellow color I put just a little bit white because we will paint in black background, and colors must be like cream. It's very important. Choose any colors what you want, but every time you must put or medium or water. Just medium because acrylic very fast dry and it's make me sometimes nervous. If I need to paint some few hours, it's immediately will be dry and I need to do again this boring job, but medium help me. Thank you. So let's start to paint. First we take pink color and just only on tip we take just a little bit yellow colors, yes? And we make first stroke. Now I take just pink and light pink. Now I using 3 colors. You can use how many colors you want on one brush, but my advice better to use 2. And remember one rule. These rules, like if you paint on dark background, you must take on your brush first dark colors and after only light. Like with this green, yes, we take first dark green and after yellow colors. Which every stroke you must do the same combination. Like you see, I take again dark pink, yes, full brush, and just orange, he more light than pink, and do new stroke. It will be like ombre effect. You can take again, for example, pink, the same, and take again orange, but we will put a stroke in another place. Now, for example, I take blue with pink, just a little bit, but blue more dark than pink, yes? But if you will start to paint the same painting, but it will be in white background, you must take first light color and on the tip dark. Every time I clean my brush and I take like now dark green and just a little bit light green. You make your stroke and you will have this beautiful gradient. You can take light green, yellow colors, or you see any combination, it's just your fantasy. I'm doing this drawing completely from my own imagination. And maybe you would like to know about my colors. Just put like, and if this video will have like 500 likes, for sure I will do next video about my colors, what I'm using, which my brand favorite, because I'm traveling from many countries and I love to buy different brand. It's my hobby and my shopping. And if you painter, I think you have the same problem like me. You know, normal girl every time spend money for nice shoes, nice bags, but If you are a painter, you spend all your money for new brush, new colors, new paper. It's crazy. Just want to know your opinion. You have the same problem like me? Write in comment what you prefer more, shoes or new brush. And each new stroke, it's only your imagination. Yes, you can make any combination. It doesn't matter, just know one rules. Yes, first dark color and after light. Do you know, I thinking always about this technique like it can be like art therapy, because it's so relaxing and it's very easy for beginners and result wonderful. Every time I thinking like it must be in some hospital for people who have stress. I think it's good idea to paint this. And I want to ask it your help. Please promise to help me, because it's very important for me, for my new channel. He very young, and without your help it will be difficult to get some successful, but I want so much. From you I need just nice comment and put me like. If you can share with your friends and subscribe my channel, it will be like Christmas gift, you know, it will be the best. Thank you, my friends. I want to invite you, of course, in my Instagram with the same name, annet.lovart. I always do some online video in real time how I'm painting. I like to talk with my followers. Welcome, and welcome to my Facebook. This is wonderful news, because if you like my painting, you can easily share with your friends. Thank you, my friends. If you see, I'm changed my brush for more small size. It's for to make beautiful line. I find this brush in manicure shop. And we will finish soon. You do just some small decoration. Every time we take two colors at the same time, like pink with yellow, or you can take blue with yellow, you can take blue with pink, just your fantasy. And if you really want to know my opinion about colors, I wait your like, and really when it will be 500 likes in this video, I will do video for my paintings, how I'm using, which it's more stronger, which more bright, how much it's cost, and where I find. Yes, wait your like. Thank you so much for your support, and thank you for your great feedback you give me on my previous video. I am really glad you like it, my tutorials. Well, comment below what you're thinking of this drawing, and I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye, guys.